Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Tranovec. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're so interested in, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So this is my evening routine but first off of I want to make Zobo, okay? And I'll be taking you guys along in how I make my Zobo. This is my first time actually making Zobo. So I am just removing the pineapple back. Yeah, removing the pineapple back, and I will chop everything, and I'll just show you guys the whole process. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll also be cleaning up the house as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. So I'm done blending the pineapple and I'm going to strain. If you have a juicer, you don't need to do this process. But since I don't have a juicer, I blended it. Then I use my cheesecloth and also a sieve, okay, just in case the pineapple chaff falls and the sieve can catch it. So my hands are clean. I'm just going to squeeze out the juice. Is the juice we need for the zobo. So as I said earlier on, this is my first time doing this, so I'm just doing it out of my head. I hope you enjoy this. And after this, I'll also be washing the zobo. Okay, I'll be washing it as well, like the zobo leaf. I don't know, do you wash your zobo leaf or you just cook it straight? You can let me know in the comment section. But I decided to wash mine just to remove any dirt or any sand, because the way I saw it when the man packed it, it was something that you need to wash. So for me, I washed it. Was it a good choice? Let me know in the comment. So I blended my, like, use mortar to pound the cloves and ginger. Okay, I pounded cloves and ginger, which I'll be putting inside this. Okay, I added enough ginger, okay, because I like something a bit spicy. Then I'll mix everything together. So inside here we have our hibiscus, our clove, ginger, and pineapple, back of pineapple peel. Then I'm going to allow this to cook for like 30 minutes thereabouts before I strain it. Okay, this is me trying to strain it. I cook this twice just to get 2 times of the zobo or the hibiscus. here. Pack that toys.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see.
So guys, this is the pineapple juice. I kept it inside the fridge for it to be cooling, and my Zobo water is already cooled down because I had to allow it to cool down. As it was cooling down, I cleaned the whole mess you guys saw previously. Yeah. So after that, I've just poured the pineapple water inside the Zobo. I'll mix everything together, and I'll add this Zobo spice that I got, or will I call it seasoning? I don't know. I saw this, and the friend of mine I went out to the market with said this is good for Zobo. So I decided to buy it as well, and I'll be adding them inside this Zobo. So this was like my evening routine because I made this in the evening. After I cooked food, I had to make this so I had to be cooling and chilling in the fridge, and I cleaned the rest of the house. So this was how I spent my evening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. This video is a continuation of when I cooked soup, like bulk cooking. Okay, so this is the continuation of that particular video because I did a lot this particular day. So I just had to like cut the video so that it won't be so long. Yeah.
Me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see.
So besties, I am done cooking. I am done doing the Zobo. I put them inside the freezer. So I am chilling out right now with a glass of wine because it has been a very, very long day for me. I went to the market this day. I cooked food. So it has been, I cleaned the house. So it has been a really, really long day. So I just have to use my wine to cool down myself so that I can sleep better. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. I'll just chill, and like, oh, my body was paining me, seriously guys, like I needed a good massage. So I have showered everything, and this is Madam saying bye to you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.